that next target. Now it predicted HRMY BioSciences Holdings Incorporated, a company of the healthcare sector and biotechnology, would offer an objective short trade entry, dollar cost average, sell signal, get the heck out of your longs off a momentum fueled head and shoulder classic top of this rising bearish wedge pattern. Here is the before photo where I'd mentioned it, right at 57.17 with a solid daily candle close here on December 13th, 7:33 p.m. Thus far, the entire trade is good for call it a minus 11.47% crash. Well, we got some late news Friday afternoon after the bell. We received a breaking headline that John Jacobs, the chief executive officer, and including a member of the board of the directors, altogether completely resigned. And as the result, the stock completely got hammered during the after hours. And as the old saying goes, markets and uncertainty is unacceptable, which then turns into fear. Being in doubt is uncomfortable for investors. And the underlying reasoning for the CEO and a member of the director was better opportunity. He had no explanation aside from that. And again, it never ceases to amaze me when the analysis on the charts manufactures the news headlines. We were bearish on this stock back in December, and now the news is just completely dropping here. And we have I want to thank John. Let's see, where did I see? Oh, I want to thank John Jacobs for leadership of HRMY over the past several years. Sid Dano, board of director, member of the board. I look forward to serving as interim CEO. So they haven't even found a CEO as of now. Well, there's a lot of uncertain building, and again, a lot of fundamental news catalysts coming out. Really will. So a little bit more significant, in my opinion, was a completely gap up, and we had these key technical levels where we actually came up to resistance as the broad markets were on fire off of some of the hourly earning, average hourly earning data and job data that got released in the pre-market, sending all indices across the board to the upside in a short squeeze manner, taking out some key positive levels. And again, some big all around moving markets moving to the upside. Right at the open, HRMY BioSciences got completely rejected right at my 54.95 price resistance, and especially for an active and/or day trader, that entire trade right before the close of the bell there was good for a 2.9% drop. So it was marching to its own drumbeat, completely taken out, and you could actually see a complete reaction here in the after hours wick, a wick to the upside for reaction off my key 50.72 level. And taking that right into the after hours would have netted you a quick little 0.8%. Some of these there's just so much damage as a result of this, and what I found pretty significant here was this 3 black row bearish continuation pattern here on the hourly interval. Not the most well defined. Would have been nicer if we had a little bit of a bigger solid close there, but take it as not as aesthetically pleasing. That is an hourly 3 black crow continuation pattern. Maybe we get that bounce right back up to 53.11, which would offer an objective short trade entry in addition to your short trade position size, if not the top of the primary downtrend line here off the daily, coinciding with the 50 exponential hourly moving average. You could have an objective entry, and really what I've done is I've added some key new levels here, including this primary uptrend line here off the July and August 2022 reactionary lows for that next target. If we take out that 48.47 price support, that is a big key level right there. It's the reason why I color coded it as well. And if we start to take that out, I would only suspect some pretty quick moves to the downside with a thin volume price zone below, and a crowded rush for the exits, in my opinion. And that would be an objective target right around that key, right around, I would say, key $43 range. It'll take months for this to play out here off the daily interval, but that's key $43 range, $43, $44 range is where you'd expect if you're still in the short trade position size. And if we go on to take out the 50.72 price support with conviction, coinciding with the 200-day moving average here I will definitely keep you updated with some new key targets and key levels to watch out for and study the rest of the charts.